Hey team, I just wanted to give a quick update with regards to a potential problem with wiper blades. If you go to the auto supply stores, you might see that they show the driver's side wiper blade being a 28-inch blade. Several different stores show the same specification for BMW i3s. So if we actually measure the length of the blade, it turns out to be roughly 29.5 inches or 750 millimeters. So if you have the active cruise control with the stop and go, you'll have a camera in the front, and that wiper blade has to cover that camera, and with a 28-inch wiper it won't cover the camera completely, so you can't do that. I found that this particular blade set from Bosch actually does have the right length. Although the box is labeled at 700 millimeter, the blade inside actually has a 29.5-inch blade. So this is the labeling on the blades. I've had really good luck with the Bosch blades as well as far as coverage. Changing the blades, it's pretty straightforward. I recommend opening the hood, otherwise it's easy to scratch the paint on the back side of the hood back in this area, so better just get the hood out of the way. Pull up one of the blades, rotate the wiper 90 degrees, and then it should just pull off the post like so. So pretty straightforward. Let's see if I can do this with one hand and put it back on. Slide it back on, rotate the new one down, put it back in place, and you're done. So really super simple. You just have to make sure to get the right size.